Sometimes I'm on the phone and I'm actually answering the phone from customers in the Denver market asking me, how much is it going to cost to reside my 2,000 square foot home? And the answer is, it depends. First off, we're not measuring the footprint of the house. We're measuring the square footage of the walls, corner to corner, top to bottom. So you want to think about, how big is this house? Is it a 2-story home? Is it a ranch style home? Also, how cut up is that house? Are there lots of dormers? Is this one of those 1970s mountain homes that was custom built and really cut up with very interesting profiles and angles? Another area to consider when pricing out this 2,000 square foot home would be the material that we're going to put on the house. Are we going to clad this home with vinyl siding, with composite or engineered wood, or are we going to clad this home with James Hardie siding? And if we're going to clad this home with James Hardie siding, what type of siding are we going to do? Board and batten, shake siding, lap siding. There's also James Hardie's Artisan Architectural Series, and there's also what we love to do in the Colorado market is James Hardie Wood Tone Rustic Series, which is a lap siding finished to look like wood. And it comes at a premium, but it's gorgeous and it will last for decades. One of Bellwether's values is excellence. To get excellent work on your home, we have to pay excellent crews. The Denver real estate market is strong. The cost of living in Denver is high. To get an excellent install on your home with Bellwether, we are going to pay our crews fair. That means labor's not cheap here in Denver, but we have the best crews in Colorado. That is one of the aspects that will impact the cost of your siding project with Bellwether. But you can trust, we reside hundreds of homes a year from Castle Rock to Fort Collins, up the I-70 corridor, and all these homeowners would agree that their home is gorgeous.